eyes full up with jealousy, 'cause none of them wise, them just can't trouble we. Downtown boys, 'cause we're
Hear what, blood? Hope said that this crew want to take an old key, you know, just for starters. Anyhow they like what they got, they're gonna come back for a whole heap more.
Oh, how long does it take to get to Bristol?
Boy, about an hour and a half, maybe 2, blood. When we reach here, you just sit tight, Rage, yeah? Me and Finn is gonna go in and do the deal, yeah? I ain't taking no chances, you know. After 5 minutes, if we ain't out, I want you to just blow up my mobile. Anyhow we don't answer, just come in spraying up the place.
You got that, Rage?
Yeah, I got that, blood.
Yeah.
Something's not right about this. They're doing what, 65?
That's not against the rules.
That's the thing. Even that old deer in the middle lane's pushing 80. It's too conspicuous. When 3 spoons are obeying a speed limit in a tinted VR6, you bet they're doing it for a fucking reason.
Fuck. I think we're being followed, blood.
What the fuck are you talking about?
Look, man, inside lane, 3 cars back, been on us since Hammersmith.
Man, you gotta stop smoking, you're praying.
Shut the fuck up. Of course I'm praying. Got enough shit in this car to put us down for 15 to 20, you know. And that's if the judge is in a good mood. Anyhow, I ain't sniffed Mrs. Judge's pussy the night before. We're going down for 30 to life.
Just pull out into the middle lane and speed up to about 80. If he's following us, then we'll know.
Shit, I think they clocked us.
You want to stay on him?
Yeah, there's something wrong about that car. You mark my fucking words.
Oh, fuck. You see, I told you.
Congratulations, you're right. What do you want, a fucking reward?
Who do you reckon it is? The fucking boy, then?
How the fuck do I know?
Just get off at the next exit.
Boy, I don't know, you know, Finny, man.
Just fucking do it.
Last chance to back off.
Fuck that. We're staying on them. Get off here.
Fuck. They're still on us, you know.
What the fuck are we gonna do? I'm too fucking pretty to go to prison, I swear. Do you know what they do to people like me in prison? I'm fucked. I swear I'm fucked.
Take the next exit on this roundabout, man. If he's still on us, then we'll know for sure.
Yo, fuck. They gotta be feds, blood. No other country's this persistent.
What the fuck are we gonna do?
All right, man. Just relax. Cool down.
Fucking take me.
I told you. They sure as fuck don't want to see us today.
God, they're gaining on us, blood. Keep going.
Fuck this shit, blood.
This is Detective Newmeyer, Metropolitan Vehicle 178, in pursuit of suspects along the B6 off exit 3. Suspects travelling at 60 miles per hour in a black Golf Volkswagen VR6. Registration number, Kilo 673, Whiskey November Kilo. Requesting backup.
Blood, you ain't losing them. You're driving like a punk.
Just fucking chill, blood.
India 99, air back up, gear 90 seconds, over.
Step on it, blood. This is why I can do 150.
Yo, blood, I'm not the fucking row, yeah?
So do these punks. Now go!
Suspect headed westbound down the A404 towards Junction 6, maintaining a speed of approximately 120 miles per hour. Over. I need that air support yesterday.
Oh, fuck! There's a bird on us, blood!
99, we have a visual on suspect vehicle, over.
India 99, come in, please.
Maintaining position over suspect vehicle, over.
What are we gonna do, blood? What are we gonna do?
Okay, turn off the road, man. Turn off the road, you're losing it. Turn! 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 Oh, fuck, we missed him. India 99, where are you? Over.
Heading east, maintain pursuit of suspect vehicle. Over.
Drive the car straight, man!
Fucking hell, prison, you're trying to kill us!
Shut up, blood. I got it under control.
Back. Suspect vehicle has back. Over.
Understood. Over. Stupid cunt to crash the motor.
Maintaining position. Suspect exiting vehicle. Over.
Oh, man.
Pussy, they're fucking circling us, man!
Get a food fin. Got it.
Billy, don't fucking follow me!
Police, do not fucking move.
Suspect heading due south. Over.